Oh. 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 Man, I don't feel very good. Oh. What does this say? The juice in the fridge should make you feel better. Harry Potter. Ah, I'm feeling a little bit better. Oh, whoa, why am I slipping, sliding? What do I have? Paws and a tail. Perfect, DJ. You could help me. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm a dog. What did you smell that? Do you smell that? I need to get out of here. Where do I go? Oh no, I'm distracted. Squirrel? Can you help me? Can you help me? I do not want to be a dog. How do I become human again? You just asked me to go outside, and why am I so excited? Oh, all these birds, smells, distractions. I can't be distracted. I need to figure out how to become a human again. Okay, let's strategize. So, if I... Dang it! It smells so good and so distracted. Oh, fight the urge. Fight the urge. Now what do I do? Oh, let's go. What's over there? Good thinking, DJ. If we use what Harry gave me initially, maybe if I drink it, lay down, fall asleep, I'll get better. I'm human again.